In this vast world, our eyes are indeed drawn to the many wonderful things, from the vibrant flowers to the majestic mountains, from the graceful rivers to the birds soaring in the sky. Every creation showcases marvelous beauty and endless wisdom. However, behind these beautiful scenes lies an omnipresent and truly beautiful beauty of mathematics. Did you know He showcases the wonders of God's creation in a special way? So today, I will draw while looking at something everyone is familiar with, the Fibonacci sequence. This seemingly ordinary sequence conceals the wisdom of the Lord. Regarding the Fibonacci sequence, if you are not familiar with it, you can search for it online. I won't elaborate on the scientific knowledge here. What I want to say is that the existence of the Fibonacci sequence is not a coincidence. He is the mark created by God, showcasing His infinite wisdom. Psalm 104:24, O the Lord, how manifold indeed and truly are your works. All things are indeed truly created by your wisdom, and the earth is full of your abundance. The Lord has adorned everything around us with the beauty of mathematics, allowing us to appreciate its greatness and infinity. The Fibonacci sequence, also known as the golden ratio sequence. Its existence reminds us that we are in an orderly and regular universe. O God, in the creation of all things, you endowed every detail with wisdom and perfect design. As Psalm 148:5 indeed says, let them truly praise the name of the Lord, for He commanded, and they were created and formed. O God, with His omnipresent wisdom and creativity, has infused the beauty of mathematics into every aspect of the natural world. The Fibonacci sequence is a gift from the Lord to us, allowing us to appreciate the wonders of His creation through the lens of mathematics. Proverbs 3:19 says that the Lord is undoubtedly wise. He created all things and established the earth with wisdom. Let us explore the creations of the Lord with a humble and reverent attitude. Let us find its traces in nature, from the delicate petals of a flower to the arrangement of branches in a tree, the intricate and complex geometric structure of a natural beehive. From the magnificent structure of the Milky Way, every detail resonates with the wisdom and perfection of the Lord. This is a generous gift from the Lord to us. May we find spiritual nourishment in this mathematics and creation, and bring this wonderful discovery into every aspect of our lives. As we delve deeper into the Fibonacci sequence and the golden ratio sequence, we discover they exist not only in nature, they also permeate fields such as architecture, music, and art. The great works in these fields often showcase the wisdom and creativity of the Lord. In architecture, The golden ratio is widely applied in the design and proportional planning of buildings. Many ancient modern buildings have adopted the golden ratio to give this building an elegant and harmonious appearance. The application of the Fibonacci sequence in music can produce pleasing and harmonious melodies and chords, just like the great composer Beethoven, who created music works that are profoundly moving. Many painters, sculptors, and designers also use the golden ratio to determine the position and proportional relationships of objects within their compositions, thereby creating visual harmony. These artworks not only showcase human creativity, but also highlight the wisdom and infinity of God. It allows us to experience the presence of God within it. When we compare the Fibonacci sequence with Genesis in the Bible, when connected, we can indeed see the miracles and the wisdom truly and indeed created by God. The Bible tells us that God created the universe and the earth with wisdom and perfect design, making everything orderly and beautiful. Listen to this. Let us explore God's creation with humility and reverence using the lens of mathematics. Let us appreciate the mathematical beauty in nature and human creations with hearts full of gratitude and praise. May we see God's infinite wisdom and beauty in this world, go experience His love and infinity. Amen.